Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. In today's video we are going to make cinnamon apple cake. It's so easy to make and so delicious, so let's get started. In a big mixing bowl you are going to add your eggs, sugar and vanilla extract. And you're going to mix these using an electric hand mixer for 2 to 3 minutes until they're nice and fluffy. Now I'm going to add in my vegetable oil, milk and orange juice. The orange juice will not affect the flavor of the apples, but will just enhance the flavor even more. Lastly, you're going to add in your cinnamon. If you like cinnamon a lot, you can add more if you like. Then you will add your baking powder, flour, and you're going to mix this until everything is well incorporated. Our mixture is ready, and using a rubber spatula, make sure to scrape the sides of the bowl so all your ingredients will be incorporated. Now you're going to add in your chopped apples. I cut my apples into small cubes so you can get a crunch in each piece. Fold them into the mixture using your spatula. And now let's prepare our baking tin. Here I have a round baking tin with a hole in the middle. You can use whatever tin you want to bake this cake. Now I'm going to grease my tin with some non-stick cooking spray, and then I'm going to also put some flour to prevent it from sticking. Remove any extra flour from the baking tin and pour your batter in. You're going to bake your cake at 175 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Our apple cake is now ready and you can serve it right away. Don't forget that you can find all of the tools I use in the description box below. Thank you for watching guys, hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.